Hello and welcome back. Today we are gonna camp near the lake, catch and cook some fish. Enjoy watching.
I hope that we will not gonna drown, because these waves, if you can see, these are really big problem. You need to get into the direction of the waves or you will be flipped over. So my friend is looking for a place to make a camp, and I am using this time to maybe I will catch some fish for the dinner. So no luck on fish for now. Maybe I will catch it on the evening. So we came up to this place. Someone was already a fire here, or a camp, and we will stay here. I'm now just walking around and looking for something useful, and as I can see, there is a log cut it down, which I will use as a chair. So we will make a camp in this place because we need a more flat surface, because my friend doesn't have a hammock and I have. Let's build a camp. So the fire is started. I have set up my hammock, and as always pick the place where is plenty of firewood, so you don't need to work too much and just relax. I want to eat very much now, and I could say this is the most Lithuanian MRE ever. You just need to put half a liter of water and wait for 10 minutes. So this is what it is inside. It's a beetroot soup. It is eaten cold. It is perfect for hot summer days. So I had an accident. I had spilled over about half of it. And now you need to wait for 10 minutes. So picking some wood for the night, so we would not need to wander into the woods when it's dark. So after a lunch break, I will go and try to catch a fish again, because there is nothing to eat for dinner. And the peoples are crazy today. At last we have some fish. So apparently with a stick I can catch more fishes. The hell. Calm and beautiful evening. And I will try to catch more fishes. So I've got these 4 fishes. I will season them with a simple mixture, and I will bake them over the fire. And as always, I don't have special equipment, so I will use these sticks. So I put it just like this, and now I can place it over the fire. So just like this. And this is the result after the baking. I am surely overdone it, but I hope this will be good, because I haven't eaten nothing from the middle of the day. So that's it. Good morning. We slept quite well. Now we'll pack my things back and head to the shore. Of course, as always, make sure that you have left no plastics or trash after you. It seems that we will have some rain. I hope it will not be so heavy. So yeah, we have rain now. And it is about 2 kilometers left. It's not so bad, not so heavy rain. Of course, it could get worse. We will see. Stay hydrated. Even though it's raining, you're breathing out a lot of moisture from your body, so stay hydrated. So maybe this will not be the longest video of my channel, but next time I will go for 5 days solo survival. I hope you will like to watch that thing. No food, no water, no shelter. Forgot to mention, this lake is man-made by the Soviet Union. They made a dam which makes some electricity. And down below this lake there is some villages underwater. So the peoples had to be evacuated, and the water rising level was miscalculated. So even more peoples had to be evacuated from the area. It's coming to the end. Thank you for all who is watching these videos, liking them, commenting and subscribing to this channel. And we will see you in the next time.